Airsoft Robotics. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to Airsoft Robotics. In this tutorial, we are going to create a circuit controlling a DC motor using a push button. Step 1. Place a breadboard on a flat surface. Step 2. Connect the positive and negative terminals of a 9-volt battery with the power rails of the breadboard. Step 3. Place a DC motor and a push button on the breadboard as shown here. Step 4. Connect the DC motor's positive terminal to one leg of the push button. Connect the opposite leg of the push button to the positive rail of the breadboard. Step 5. Connect the DC motor's negative terminal to the negative rail of the breadboard. Now, click on Start Simulation to see the final circuit in action.